Fun fact, V6 Cayenne, it is made by Volkswagen. It's the VR6 motor. Now, anybody who doesn't think Volkswagen has their stuff together, check this out. So, this tiny little thing is a water pump. Now, Porsche never has built a pulley with holes in it. So I thought they were lightning holes or balance holes or something like that. But Volkswagen knew this thing would have to be replaced. So you see the big hole here goes over and fits on like this. And then when you have it situated, the holes line up. And all three line up at the same time. It's not just one that you have to rotate around. Totally impressed by Volkswagen. I mean, the fact that their water pump leaked after 80,000 miles, not that impressed, but that they had the forethought, it's amazing. Porsche never does that. Oh, and the new one comes with a pulley installed. So imagine my surprise after I had to figure out how to be able to get these bolts out. And I'm like, hey, the new pulley's installed. How the hell am I going to put the assembly bolts in? And lo and behold, the damn Germans, well, at least the ones at Volkswagen, the Porsche ought to pay attention. All right, thanks for watching. BreitWerks.